Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
The Pilatus, it finally got a crash that I couldn't repair. So we freshened it up, full rebuild for this one, except for the electronics. So we're gonna finally paint it. Yeah. Hold on, boy. Watch out. Hold on. No, you can't, sir. Sir, no, we're not chasing it. We're painting it. Mm-hmm. Making all the scale guys in the nerd community real mad. They don't like that. Alright, here goes nothing. You know what? Actually, before I paint this, there's a couple things I do want to tape off. Hold on, sir. You're a nut. Oh. Oh. Whoop. You're a wild dog. All right, now we're going to paint this. Is that right, sir? You know what? We're gonna leave a little bit of that red there, a little fade. Probably should have taped off that little button. That's it, but oh well. Sir, what are you doing? Are you making Halloween noises? You are? Okay. So those Halloween noises. So I'm mostly freehanding this. You'll see the one bit of tape up the front of the nose, but the rest of it, that fade I kind of like that. Came out nice, in my opinion. I'm gonna do that to mostly the control surfaces. Theodore Bear, you're being crazy. Watch out. You're a crazy boy. Yes, you're a crazy boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oop. And then this. See what you're doing, sir? You're getting everybody all riled up. That's because you're a nut. And the bottom side's just gonna stay red for that contrast. There we go. Let's go a little bit further down. There we go. There we go. That's the fade I want. I like that. That's the top side. Sir. Theodore Bear, hey. We can all hear you. Yep, we all know you're there. Halloween noises. Oh, almost got my shoe. There we go. And then we're gonna do something that's really gonna make the scale guys mad. Don't worry, not just this. Probably should have did the red first, but oh well. Okay, Bear. One, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. Just to see if I can flip this to hit this other side. I think we're okay. The underside of those is, like I said, staying red. Let's see this side again. So boom, there we go. Teddy, everybody's gonna think there's a monster back here. One more peek. Kind of a C. There. All right. That'll be a good Halloween paint job soundtrack. The only thing I might regret not taping off is that button. I might have messed up a little bit just doing that, but it's fine. These are never perfect paint jobs. Is that right, Theodore Bear? Alright, now we got a little bit left for some touch up when we need it. And when all this other stuff dries. Let's see. Should we take it inside to the garage or to the cave? Oh, there you go. All right, pause. All right, red interior on a Pilatus. Scale guy's head explodes. I'm either gonna like this or I'm gonna hate it. Luckily, I have another one of these. And since I'm not taping this off, I'll touch up the black later on. I should have waited in the first place. I know you should do this in like several layers and all that. Nah. There we go. Oh, that needs a little bit more. Right there.
Bye.